What can data accomplish for you? Business clarity, insightful decision support, process and cost control, employee performance, business alignment. If you have not yet experienced it, it's time for Tectalik Analytics Suite. We enable power of data to your business. Power of dashboards. Scrap your Excels, PowerPoint presentations and hard labor using our automated, integrated dashboards on cloud. Designed by management advisors with 20 years of business expertise, built-in KPIs to offer full business performance clarity. Visually appealing, highly informative, intuitively designed, drill-down featured, our dashboards can make you take right decisions. Who can be benefited by Tectalik Analytics Suite? An investor or promoter to ensure his investment is safe and business is professionally managed. A senior management of a company to gain clarity of performance and drive towards goals. Corporate board or audit committee to ensure governance is activated technologically. Use data to drive performance. Experience power of performance from Tectalik Analytics. Contact for more.